Hi there, awesome teachers and students at Elton Middle School here in Mission. I'm just going to show you real quick, give you a tutorial on how to log into MackinVIA. And the way to access it is if you go straight to your account. Just going to move this real quick. Go into your Clever account, and once in, you're going to automatically be taken into your school account. Now, people that do not have Clever, they would actually have to log in this way, type in their campus name, and then find their ID. Type in their ID and then type in their password. Are you ready? Let's keep going. Once you log in, this is what it's going to look like. Now, as you can see up here, it's another district because I don't have access to Clever with your campus, but that's okay because it should look almost exactly the same. What you need to know to access your MackinVIA account is you're going to look on the left side here, and we're going to go instructional resources. And maybe for you it says databases. It doesn't matter as long as you see a globe. Once you click on the globe, you're going to jump in, and then you're going to see all of the different available tools that are here for you. As you can see up here at the top, it says here there's 1 of 15 out of 47. And I'm going to show you. Here we have BrainPop, Brain ESL, BrainPop en Español. And I'm going to keep going because I'm going to show you one of my favorite ones. Once I get to the bottom, you're going to see that it says load more. I'm going to load more. Now, all of these are yours. You can jump in and check them out at any time. I'm going to look for, here we have the Britannicas. Britannica Escolar, which is completely in Spanish. And we have Britannica Learning Zone. This is actually for little kids, Britannica Learning Zone. But Britannica Moderna, again, this is in Spanish. But here is Britannica School Edition. This is one of my absolute favorites. I'm going to jump into Britannica School, middle school, high school, elementary. I'm going to jump into middle school. I'm going to click on it. And what will happen is I can either do the activities that are here, or I can actually search. So maybe I want to search for, let me just move this a little, make this a little higher, planets. And what happens is that everything here is already filtered. You won't have any trouble finding things that you shouldn't. As you can see, I've searched for planets. Look at all the different types of planet information I have. I can actually look at articles. I can look at images. I can look at videos. And if I go back to articles, I'm going to choose the first one here. Once I choose it, it gives me the option if I want reading level 1, reading level 2, reading level 3. That's just going to change the words and the vocabulary here. And notice up here, I could send it to somebody. I could mark it as my favorite. I could print it. I could cite it. But this is the section that I want you guys to see, especially my teachers. This is information here, and I can make the font bigger and all of that. If I want to show the same activity to a student that's a Spanish speaker or another language, I can click on the world here and search for translate. If I look at all the different languages that are here. I'm going to search for Spanish, but also I could also choose Arabic, Vietnamese, any other language. Oops, I went too far because I was looking for, okay, no, here, I'm good. Let me see, Spanish. And then I click on it, and everything here is going to translate into Spanish. As you can see, everything here is absolutely in Spanish. Again, MackinVIA is one of my favorite tools because just the way that I jumped into Britannica School Edition, I can jump into any other tool here that's available for my students. The next video that I will create will be in Spanish for our students. Let me just jump over here. Here is BrainPop. I know many of you already have BrainPop on your Clever, but again, it's also part of MackinVIA, and then you can choose the topic here. We also have, if I go back to my MackinVIA, BrainPop Español. So if you're using BrainPop with your students, you can also find the same exact activity in Spanish. So here is Brain Pop Español. Maybe I'm looking at science. Here is a category. I'm just clicking on whatever real quick for the purpose. Here they would listen to a video in Spanish.
Wow. Queridos Timmy Moby, ¿qué onda con las placas del Stegosauros? Pensé.
And there you go. This is how to use MackinVIA. Super easy. Just real quick, rewind. Once you're into MackinVIA, you're going to jump into your instructional resources, and this is how you will access all of these amazing tools. I'll see you soon. This is Dr. E.T.